Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What a beautiful day. The sun is shining gently, and the air feels so fresh.
Yes, Mom. It's not too hot or too cold. Can we go to the swings first?
We will. But first, let's take a little walk. It's good to stretch our legs before playing.
Okay, I'll walk with you.
Look at all the trees, they're so green and full of life. Can you see how the wind is moving the leaves?
Yes, it looks like the trees are waving at us.
That's a nice way to think of it. Nature has its own way of saying hello.
Oh, look! There's a butterfly. It's flying near the flowers.
It's beautiful. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. They help flowers grow by spreading pollen.
So they're kind of like little gardeners?
Exactly. Even small creatures play big roles in nature.
Mom, that boy is riding his bike fast. I want to ride mine too.
You will, but let's walk around the park first, and then we'll go to the bike area.
Okay. Hey, what's that bird on the tree?
That's a myna. They're very smart birds. Some can even mimic human sounds.
Really? What if I say hello? Will it talk back?
Maybe not right away, but if you visit often and talk to it kindly, it might remember your voice.
That would be so cool. I want a pet bird one day.
Birds need a lot of care. It's better to enjoy them in nature unless you're really ready for the responsibility.
I think I need to grow a bit more first.
That's a smart answer.
Mom, I'm thirsty.
Here, drink some water. It's important to stay hydrated, especially when playing outdoors.
Ah, that feels better. Can I have a snack too?
Sure, I brought some apple slices and a small sandwich.
Yay! I love apples, crunchy and sweet.
Healthy snacks keep you full of energy for playtime. So, what do you like most about the park?
The swings, especially the big one that goes really high.
What about the flowers?
They're so pretty. Can I pick just one?
We should leave the flowers for everyone to enjoy. If each child picked one, there would be none left.
Okay, I will just smell them.
That's the right thing to do. You're becoming so thoughtful.
Look, that girl is going down the slide. Can I go too?
Of course. Let's go to the play area.
This slide is so fun.
Be careful, take turns, and don't push others, okay?
I will, Mom. Let's play a pretend game. I'm a pirate and this is my ship.
Captain, where are we sailing today?
To the treasure island. But look out, there are sharks in the water.
Oh no, should we jump or steer away?
Steer away. I'll protect you. First mate, Mom.
Thank you, Captain. You're so brave.
That was fun. You're a good pirate helper.
And you're an awesome captain. Okay, now let's visit the ducks at the pond.
Yay! I love watching the ducks. Can we feed them?
Just a little bit. We don't want to give them too much food. Bread isn't very healthy for ducks.
Okay, I'll only give them tiny pieces. Look at that duck. It has a green head.
That's a mallard duck. The males have bright colors to attract the females.
Wow, they're swimming and quacking. Do they talk to each other?
Yes, ducks use sounds and body movements to communicate, like how we talk or wave.
That's awesome. I wish I could speak duck language.
Haha, that would be a fun superpower.
It's so peaceful here, Mom.
Yes, nature helps us relax. It's like a big, quiet hug.
I like coming here with you.
Me too. We make great park buddies.
That dog is so fast.
Dogs love to run and play. They need exercise just like us.
Can we bring Max here next time?
Of course. Max would love it. But we'll need his leash and water bowl. Okay, sweetheart. It's time to go home.
Already? But I don't want to leave.
I know, but we'll come back soon. You've played a lot today.
Can we come again tomorrow?
If you finish your homework and eat your dinner, then yes.
I'll do it all. I want to come every day.
That's the spirit.
Look at the sky, Mom. It's turning orange and pink.
That's the sunset. It's how the day says goodbye.
Goodbye, sun. See you tomorrow.
Let's go, my little explorer.
Okay, Mom. This was the best day ever. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.